Hello everyone. Now we are doing the exemplar MCQs, and here is now topic number 3, which is a plant kingdom. So let us start solving the MCQ from exemplar. So this is first MCQ. Cyanobacteria are classified under. Yes, तो आपने सही पहचाना, it is a monera. Because cyanobacteria is a bacteria sharing all the features of bacteria, and hence monera includes all bacteria which are prokaryotic and unicellular. So their genetic or their nuclear material is very simple, hence they are prokaryotes. Okay. Number 2, fusion of two motile gametes which are dissimilar in size is termed as. So which are dissimilar in size is termed as अनआइसोगैमी. फ्यूजन ऑफ दो गैमेट जो साइज में सेम नहीं है तो वो अनआइसोगैमी होते हैं. Oogamy में it is the bigger oogamous is a female organ. So oospore, bigger oospore is a female gamete and which fuses with the smaller male gamete. Isogamy where the both the gametes are similar in size and shape. So isogamy. And zoogamy, that is a sexual reproduction in animal. So anisogamy is the right choice, and यहाँ पे you can remember the anisogamy can be seen in Chlamydomonas. Okay, holdfast type and frond constitute the plant body in case of the Phaeophyceae. So Phaeophyceae plant body, yeah, this is the algae which is not having the well-developed root and stem-like structure. Instead, they are attached to the substratum by the holdfast. They have a stalk which is called as a stipe, and they have a leaf-like photosynthetic organ which is called as a frond. So the right choice is Phaeophyceae. Number 4, a plant shows thallus level of organization. It shows rhizoid and it's haploid. It needs water to complete its life cycle because the male gametes are motile. Identify the group to which it belongs. So यहाँ पे जो properties दिए हैं सब वो ब्रायोफाइट्स के हैं. ब्रायोफाइट्स में thallus level organization होता है and male gamete is swimming and reaching up to the female gamete. The female sex organ here is called as, or the reproductive organ is a archegonia. And the process when the male gamete is reaching towards the female gamete with the help of water, since they are motile, is called as a zoidogamy. तो यहाँ पे ये एक टर्म भी आप याद रखिए, zoidogamy. All right. Number 5, a prothallus is. Prothallus क्या है? So prothallus is a gametophyte free living structure formed in pteridophyte. So prothallus is usually a gametophytic stage in the life cycle of pteridophyte. So यहाँ पे spore बाहर निकल के आता है. Spore settled on some moisture containing area. वहाँ पे it is developing into prothallus, which is a heart-shaped structure. Prothallus पे होते हैं antheridia as well as archegonia, and lower side पे उसको rhizoid-like structure निकल के आते हैं. So that is what is a prothallus. Plant of this group are diploid and well developed to extreme condition. They grow bearing sporophyll in compact structure called cone. The group in reference is, so basically this group in reference is gymnosperm. Gymnosperm producing the naked seeds. Gymnosperm में सभी आते हैं, tall trees होते हैं, shrubs होते हैं, and so in the gymnosperm there are the cones, microsporophyll and megasporophyll. Microsporophyll is a male cone and the female is a megasporophyll, right? And so this cone is basically the property of this gymnosperm. The embryo sac of an angiosperm is made up of. So the yes, you have identified correctly. It is 7-celled and 8 nucleated. Now in the angiosperm embryo sac में ये जो embryo sac बन रहा है, angiosperm, these are the flowering plant. This is a chalazal end and this is a micropillar end. माइक्रोपिलर एंड पे होता है एग apparatus जिसमें एक एग सेल होता है. दिस इज एग सेल एंड ये जो दो है यहाँ पे these are the synergids. ओके, चलाजल एंड पे 3 सेल्स होते हैं. these are called as antipodals. एंड बीच में जो होता है it is a polar nuclei which is again polar nuclei diploid होता है. तो टोटल सी इफ यू काउंट 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, तो ये 8 न्यूक्लिएटेड है, लेकिन ये जो पोलर न्यूक्लिया है that is considered as single cell. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 celled and 8 nucleated. This type of embryo sac is called as a polygonum type of embryo sac. If the diploid number of a flowering plant is 36, what would be the chromosome number in its endosperm? ये फ्लावरिंग प्लांट है मतलब एंजियोस्पर्म है. एंजियोस्पर्म का एंडोस्पर्म इज ट्रिप्लॉइड एंड इट इज फॉर्म आफ्टर फर्टिलाइजेशन, whereas if it is a gymnosperm, the endosperm is haploid and which is formed before fertilization. Okay, so triploid है तो diploid number यहाँ पे दिया है, so 2n is equal to 36, so n हो जाएगा 18. अगर 3n करना है तो multiplied by 3, so 3n is equal to 54. And hence the right answer is 54. Number 9, protonema is. So protonema is haploid and basically it is found in mosses. So the germination of haploid spore in mosses, which is produced by sporophyte, after the reduction division, these haploid spore germinate and they form the protonema. This structure later develops into the gametophyte. So that is the property in case of mosses. The giant redwood tree Sequoia sempervirens is a or an example of. So this is a gymnosperm. Okay, this is a gymnosperm. Redwood tree is a gymnosperm. They have the thick woody and branched stem, and this plant even have certain xerophytic adaptation which helps them to survive in the extreme climatic condition. So these are the 10 MCQ as per the exemplar here we have solved. Thank you so much.